To connect Trust Wallet with Binance, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Trust Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various digital assets. Binance, on the other hand, is a leading cryptocurrency exchange where users can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. First, ensure that you have the latest version of the Trust Wallet app installed on your device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app, open it and navigate to the Settings section, which is usually represented by a gear icon. In the Settings section, look for the option that says Connect to Binance and tap on it. You will then be prompted to select the type of connection you want to establish. Choose the option that says Binance account, and then enter your Binance account details, including your API key and secret key. To obtain your API key and secret key, log into your Binance account on the Binance website or mobile app. Navigate to the API management section, which is usually found in the account section. Click on Create API, and then follow the instructions to create a new API key and secret key. Make sure to save the API key and secret key in a secure location, as you will need them to connect Trust Wallet to Binance. Once you have entered your API key and secret key into the Trust Wallet app, tap on the Connect button to establish the connection. You will then be prompted to authorize the connection, which may involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone. After authorizing the connection, your Trust Wallet will be linked to your Binance account, allowing you to easily transfer funds between the two platforms to transfer funds. Navigate to the Wallet section in the Trust Wallet app, and then tap on the Receive button. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and then choose the Binance option as the source of the funds. It is essential to note that when connecting Trust Wallet to Binance, you should only use the official Trust Wallet app and Binance website to avoid any potential security risks. Additionally, make sure to keep your API key and secret key secure, as they can be used to access your Binance account. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Trust Wallet to Binance, allowing you to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio across both platforms. This connection enables seamless transfers, increased liquidity, and enhanced trading capabilities, making it a valuable tool for cryptocurrency users.